In this video, 3.4, I'm going to teach you some new hip-hop choreography.
You stood before the sun, almost struck me blind. You're so damn fine.
Thank you, and I know you were meant to be with me, part of my design.
One time.
In my last two videos, 1.4 and 2.4, I taught you a hip-hop routine. Have you managed to learn it? Now the next set of 8 beats. Make sure you turn from side to side. Your arms do this. Okay? Moving on. Beats 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's do it slowly. Starting on your right leg. Hop and bring your feet together. Easy, right? Your arms move like this. Let's run through the 8 beats. Moving on to the next set of 8 beats. Starting with your left leg, stepping to your right. 1, 2, back leg goes behind. 3, 4. You can choose what to do with your arms. I'm going to do this. Or you could do this. You could do loads of different moves with your arms. Beats 5, 6, 7 and 8 go like this. Bend your knees. Bend your knees on 8. Now I'll run through both sets of beats from start to end all the way through. Ready?
I like your style, you're swift, you're agile. Everything about you stays true.
You stood before the sun, almost struck me blind. You're so damn
Thank
fine.
you, and I know you were meant to be with me, part of my design.
One time.
You be the song, I'll be your pepper. Give you flavor forever, leave you never. Don't you know, girl, that I'm down for whatever.
You be my lemon.
That's the end of this hip-hop tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed watching my dance and choreography videos so far.
How do you know?
If you have any questions or find any move difficult, DM me or leave a comment below. Remember to click like on our pages. Why not film yourself dancing this choreography? And post the video to Deaf Motion's Facebook or Instagram for our tips and comments. I'd be so excited to see your street dance videos. Bye!